Hello guys, Simply Done here. In this video I will show you how to turn off animation effects to make your windows a little bit faster. So easily open settings, now click on accessibility and next click on visual effects. Here you have three options which I have turned on. I'm gonna open Task Manager. I will show you the activity of my CPU when these settings are turned on and turned off. So I'm gonna easily grab this tab and try animation effects, and you can see the activity in Task Manager. And now I'm gonna turn all these options off and we should achieve a small boost of performance. As you can see, there is a little difference between these gaps. When you click minimize, it's faster. It's up to you if you prefer animation effects like this or turn it off and it will look like this. And that's it. I hope it helps guys, and see you in the next video.